Hi students, in the previous video we have seen the concept of asymptotes. So now let us move to the concept of symmetry. Symmetry means CYM. Sim means same, metry means measurement. So let us take an object here. So let us take the equilateral triangle example here. So divide this triangle into two parts by joining the lines. So these two parts will be the same. These two parts will be similar. So therefore triangle is a symmetric about this line. Okay. For example, if I consider another example, this is another example. It is not which is not equal sides here. All the sides are not equal. So divide the this triangle into two parts. So this portion is not same as the this portion. Therefore, this is not symmetric about this line. Okay, if I take another example here, so this arrow mark I have taken here, divide this arrow mark into two parts. So this region is same as the second region. It means so this region reflects to the reflects about the this line here. So therefore this is a symmetry. So H is also symmetry. You can observe that. So if I divide this H into two parts, so this portion and this portion will be same. H is also symmetric. Even though so vertical line is the symmetry of the axis. If I divide this horizontal, again it is a symmetry. So symmetric about the horizontal line here. So if I take consider A, divide A into two parts. So this portion will be same as the second portion. So this is A is also symmetric about this line. Suppose if I divide horizontally, so they are not symmetric. Okay. So again E is a symmetric. If I divide E horizontal, so again it is a same portion will be there above and below that line. So this is symmetric about the horizontal line. So but R is not symmetric about the horizontal or vertical line here. But O, if I consider O is a symmetry about the vertical line, about the horizontal line, or about the oblique line. I think you can. There are many symmetry of the lines for the letter O. So anyway, we can see the symmetric through the geometry here. So let us move to the symmetric about through mathematics. How do you define symmetry through mathematics? So let us take an example here. Y square is equal to 4ax. So this is the equation for the parabola. So the equation curve for this equation like this. It means so upper region, this curve is similar to the below this x-axis. So this is the symmetric about the x-axis. So therefore x-axis is the symmetric line. Axis of symmetry called as axis of symmetry. So this curve is symmetric about the x-axis. You can observe in this equation here. So y square is equal to 4ax is the equation for the parabola. So y square degree is even, x degree is odd. Suppose if the even powers of y, so then equation always symmetric about the x-axis. Otherwise, you can define another way to define. You take this is the function x comma y, and if you replace f of x comma y, we get f of x comma y. So then we can say that so this is symmetric about the y axis. Suppose if f of x comma minus y is equal to, if we get f of x comma y, so then the curve is symmetric about the x-axis. If we get f of minus x comma minus y, that is f of x comma y, then the curve is symmetric about both x and y axis. Suppose if f of minus x comma minus y is equal to minus of f of x comma y, then the curve is symmetric about the origin. So let us define again. F of x comma y is a function Suppose if f of minus x comma y is equal to f of x comma y, means replace x by minus x. If you get f of x comma y, then symmetric about the y axis. So here replace y by minus y. If you get f of x comma y, this symmetric about the x axis. Suppose if replace x and y in place of x and y minus x and minus y, if you get f of x comma y, this symmetric about both x and y axis. Suppose f of minus x comma f of minus x comma minus y, if you get minus of f of x comma y, then the curve is symmetric about the origin. Let us take example here. You can observe here y square is equal to 4ax. So replace y by minus 5. So minus y whole square is equal to 4ax. Minus y whole square is y square is equal to 4ax. Here what I did, I replace y by minus 5. This is f of x comma y. Let us take this function. So here f of x comma minus y is same as f of x comma y. So therefore the curve is symmetric about the x-axis. Otherwise simply you can write, suppose the curve, the function has even powers of y, then the curve is symmetric about the x-axis. Suppose the curve is even powers of x. Suppose for example x square is equal to 4ay. The curve is even powers of x, then the curve is symmetric about the y-axis. You can observe x square is equal to 4ay. Like this you can draw this. So this is the equation of parabola for the equation x square is equal to 4ay. So this curve is symmetric about the y-axis. Therefore y-axis is the axis of symmetry for x square is equal to 4ay. Let us take another example here. If I take the equation of circle, this is x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is radius r. This is equation of circle with the center origin and radius r here. So this circle just divide into two parts with a y-axis. We can this portion is same as this portion. Therefore, so this curve is symmetric about the y-axis also. And also you can observe, so this region is same as this region below this x-axis. So therefore x-axis is the axis of symmetry. You can observe that above this x-axis and below the x-axis region is same. Therefore the curve is symmetric about the x also. You can observe mathematically x square plus y square is equal to r square. So this equation contains even powers of x as well as the even powers of y. Therefore the curve is symmetric about both x and y axis. So you can observe that the equation y is equal to x cube has odd powers of y as well as even powers of y. So therefore the curve is symmetric about the x-axis. So this is the curve for the function y is equal to x cube. So this curve is symmetric about the origin here. So I think you have observed some examples here which I told. So y is equal to x square is the equation of parabola is the even powers of x. So this curve is symmetric about y-axis. Y-axis is the axis of symmetry because so this curve reflects to the left side of the y-axis. So this is a symmetry. The curve is symmetric about the y-axis. And second example, x is equal to y square. So this equation has even powers of y. So the equation of parabola. So this curve is symmetric about x-axis. So you can observe. So this curve is similar to the below the x-axis. So therefore this curve is symmetric about x-axis. So therefore x-axis is the axis of symmetry for the equation x is equal to y square. So you can observe. So this circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. So this equation has even powers of x and y. So therefore the curve is symmetric about both x and y axis. Yes, if I consider axis of symmetry is y axis, so this region is same as this region. Suppose if I consider x-axis is the symmetry, so this region is same as this region, therefore the curve is symmetric about x-axis also. So this equation has even parts of both x and y, therefore the curve is symmetric about both x and y axis. Y is equal to x cube. So this equation has odd powers of y as well as odd powers of x. So this curve is symmetric about the origin here. So this is the concept of